Hi everyone, the Penguin Chef here. Today we're making Italian-style breaded pork chops. You can see here I've got 4 pork chops cut to between 1/4 and 1/2 inch thick. And I got 3 dishes here. I've got some Italian-style fine dry crumbs, I've got some heavy cream, and I've got some all-purpose flour, which I'm just gonna season with a little salt and pepper. Let's mix that up a little bit. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna dredge each pork chop in the seasoned flour. Make sure to cover it completely. You can always grab it, kind of bury it. Once that's done, we're gonna dip it in the cream. And flip. And then very quickly, we're gonna put it into the breadcrumbs. We're gonna try to cover it as best as we can. There's one, 3 more to go. There is some benefit to doing this with your hands. I was trying to keep my hands clean, but in truth, the tongs seem to actually destroy the nice surface you created. So, as I always say, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Okay, now that that's all ready, we're gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees. I've got a baking dish standing by, and while the oven's coming up to temperature, we're gonna go ahead and go to the stove. So I've got my pan here over medium heat. I'm just gonna add some olive oil, and we're gonna brown up the outside of our chops. And you could also fry these with tallow, you could fry them with butter, you could fry them with peanut oil. This shouldn't take very long, maybe 2 to 3 minutes on each side at the most. Oh, beautiful. Look at that. And there we go. Let that go another 3 minutes. So these are just about done, another 30 seconds or so. When they're finished, we're immediately gonna put them into our pan and put them in our 350 degree oven for 7 to 10 minutes, or until the internal temperature reaches 145 on my instant read thermometer. So while our pork chops are in the oven, we're gonna get our plate ready. So warm up some of your favorite red pasta sauce and spread it out on the plate. If you don't have any red pasta sauce on hand, you can use just plain tomato sauce. Put your pork chop right in the middle, and there you have it. This is a great dish to serve with sauteed or roasted vegetables and oven roasted potatoes. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please check out the channel for more great recipes. Until next time.